back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Hello everybody, how y'all doing? Well, as you can see, I'm showing you pictures of 4 indoor houseplants that I just put inside. Well, maybe not just put inside. But anyway, I have a pink polka dot plant, my calicoli, prayer plant, and the pothos. These I'm going to try and see how they do inside the house. I think they might like it. I'll see how they grow. I already gave you guys some information about the pink polka dot plant and the calicoli. I got a piece of this plant from out there on my balcony, and it comes from the mama that's growing those beautiful pink flowers on it. I'm hopefully thinking that me putting this in the house, hopefully maybe I can get some of those flowers growing in here, blooming on this plant soon, eventually. Hopefully it works out. And also I had a video about propagating a prayer plant. This is it. I put it in this small planter here. I like the pink because of the polka dot plant and the calicoli, because of the pink flowers. I'm going to get a larger powder pink planter for my bigger calicoli out on the balcony. And back there in the back is my pothos, which is propagated, and that's how big it's gotten. I have to get a planter for it. I would like a beautiful, colorful planter, preferably some type of animal or something, or insect, because I like, cute planters, not just the colors, but I also want it to be, some kind of stylish. I like animal planters, in other words. But anyway, just wanted to come in here and share with you guys my little planters. My little pink cute planters that I put my little plants in, that I took and propagated from my plants out there on the balcony. Now you can see my pink polka dot plant. See how cute it is? Yep. And then next, here's my calicoli. See how cute it is in its planter. Beautiful, beautiful. And then my other one is the beautiful prayer plant and its planter. Now, like I said, with the pothos, I have to get a planter for it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little garden update. There will be more updates about these plants because, like I said, they're indoors. I had them out there outside on the balcony. They're propagated plants. Remember, they're all propagated. Most of my plants are propagated. But anyway, this is a garden update. I'm happy to share with you. And thanks for all that are interested in gardening, propagation, cuteness, and the lifestyle of plant gardening and all that goes with this